Hi my friend, did you know that you can make money off of somebody else's property and sublet out to companies and make multiple six figures, almost passive income? Today we're gonna dive into the world of corporate housing arbitrage and how I can show you how to make six-figure income like I have shown hundreds and hundreds of my students to do it without any knowledge or experience or even money. In this world, the newbies will make a tons of mistakes. So in this video, I'm gonna cover with you the top pitfalls that you want to avoid so that way you can make millions from this. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. All right, first of all is to pick the right location and the right place. Location is the first rule in real estate. Where can you find the right location? You gotta be close to companies, a lot of headquarters, a growth area, hospitals, hotels, big highways. Those are the three H's that you wanna be close to: highways, hospital, and hotels, right? On top of that, the second thing you want to look for is the location has demand for growth. You want people who are moving into the cities, the big hot city, the metroplexes, right? Those are the good areas. The second thing is the facilities itself. Does it have good amenities, right? Whether you're subletting an apartment complex or a single family home, you know, there's a community around there. What does the community have that can offer you? Maybe a pool, right? A nice view like this, a lake, something that is unique, where it give you the best customer service, leveraging their amenities. And then the other thing is the furnishing, the furniture itself, with good furniture that will balance and will give you a nice cozy feeling. You want to make it homey. You don't want to make it like a hotel corporate thing, right? Home away from home, remember that. Lighting is super important. Even like a fake fireplace display would make it cozy as well. So those are some general ideas, but let's get on to the next pitfall. The second pitfall newbies fall into is lack of legal knowledge of the legal structure of how to do this business the right way so that you can avoid a lot of legal battles and all of that. Okay, so the problem is, as you know, Airbnb or any short-term rental, there's a ton of regulations. It's getting stricter and stricter every single day. Just a ton of BS that coming from, you know, all these legal entities. You need an LLC. Number one, to protect yourself, right? You gotta have an LLC. Don't do it in your personal name, please, okay? Do not do it in your personal name unless you're gonna transfer it in an LLC later. An LLC will protect you. Anything happen with LLC, not with you, right? The other thing is you want to research the local area restrictions, governance of short-term rental. We do minimum 1 month to 5 months. So that way we can escape a lot of the regulations that go with short-term rental under 30 days. So that's the great news when you do this business. However, you still have to watch out for the HOA. So the ideal scenario is you want to find areas that don't have HOA would be the best. If they don't have an HOA, that would be like heaven on earth. And usually HOA are okay if the stay is more than 30 nights stay. So just double check on that, right? And check the local city as well. The other thing is insurance. You want to have insurance when doing this, okay? Insurance on top of insurance, just in case, right? I know like Airbnb, VRBO has insurance. However, we want to get off of those platforms. So you want to have your own insurance and you want to require insurance from the companies that book you as well. So you have insurance on both sides. The next mistake most newbies make is they don't inform the landlord that you are doing this. I did that in my first 2 properties as well, and that didn't turn out well, okay? It's not good because they can kick you out and you lose all your business, or they can even like do a legal battle with you. Again, you want to be upfront and honest with everybody. So how you're gonna do that is you wanna focus on what's in it for them, right? These are the key secrets, the key points I'm showing you right now that are worth millions of dollars. To take notes, okay? 1, you're gonna clean it every few months and you're gonna pay for it, right? Professionally. Secondly, any maintenance under $200, you're gonna pay for it a month. You're not even gonna call them, you're gonna managing it for free basically. 3, you can sign a 3 years lease, you guys, okay? Which is fine. Now you might be asking like, oh, what if it doesn't work out and I stuck with 3-year lease? Well, the good news is in America, it is very easy to get out of the lease because the landlord, the last thing they want is somebody squat in their property, don't pay, and they gotta go to all legal battle and take them months and cost them tens of thousands of dollars. Nobody got time and money to do that, okay, trust me. So that's why you can sign a 3 years lease. The last thing with the landlord is if they are hesitate to partner with you, Or you gotta also interview them to make sure that they are a good partner with you too, right? That is so crucial. I see a lot of newbies, it's like, oh, I wanna get a deal, wanna get a property, whatever you say, yes, yes, yes. No, man, trust me, sometimes the best deal is the one you did not do. Bad deals can cost you so much time, money, energy, relationship, everything, you know? So you want to make sure it's the right partnership because you're going to be communicating with them, sharing a lot of stuff with them, and you want to have a long-term relationship. The good partners can bring you like 10 deals, 10 properties, right? I have partners that give me like 10 properties over the years. I don't even have to go out and find it anymore after my first 5. As long as you are the best tenants, they're going to love you and they're going to give you more and more properties. So be upfront with them and tell them the truth of what you're going to do. Tell them corporate housing, okay? That's the key too. Not vacation rental. Big difference. You can tell them, hey, I'm a part of a community-wide network of over hundreds of members, hundreds of nationwide properties, over 20 years combined experience. Isn't that a lot better than saying, hey, can I Airbnb your property, right? All right, now the big mistake newbies make, guys, is they try to do everything themselves. If you want to go to war, do you want to go to war by yourself or you want to go to war with an army behind you, with the best general, with the best warriors out there, right? So that's why you want to build that core team. Now, you don't really need an army in the beginning. You just need a few key members to help you, right? Like the maid is super important. That's probably the most important is finding the right maid to help you, okay? Secondly is the handyman, okay? So those two people are the key players when you're first starting out. Trust me, when I first started out, I want to do everything myself. I moved myself. I took out the whole weekend, took out my whole family to go move with me. And it was nuts. It was no fun, okay? Now I have people run the whole show for me. They move for me, they set it up. If something wrong, they need fixing, they fix it. It's all the key about keeping great people and finding great people. You treat them like more than you want to be treated. Like treat them with respect, always thank them, and also overpay them. It's okay to give them bonuses to every single birthday, their son's birthday, Mother's Day, Father's Day, whatever. They're gonna remember it. My team is so loyal to me that they will do anything for me. Without people, you got no business, okay? Can you believe it? Some properties I haven't even been in for years, and I'm making $30,000, $40,000 a year per property in net profit. Can you believe that? Incredible, right? I'd rather go out here, hang out with my friends, or go to beautiful places. All right, guys, the other mistake newbies tend to make is they only rely on Airbnb and VRBO, okay? That is such a big mistake because I know so many people that rely only on that and now they don't even have a business. Why? Because Airbnb can just change an algorithm, just change something or shut down your account and you are out of business. You don't want that, right? You don't want to rely on that. You want to be in 100% control of your business, of your life, right? So that is why I do corporate housing, where I try to get out of Airbnb, get off of VRBO as much as possible and rent directly to the companies. When you rent directly to the companies, to the insurance companies, to the construction company, IT company, they pay me directly. It's like, you know, mailbox money. Nowadays, they even just direct deposit. I mean, it's so easy. You know, of course, you want to have Airbnb and VRBO, but slowly you want to find other platform as well. Now, if you don't know where to find a platform, we have all the platforms. I've been doing this for 8 years. You can watch for free class below and then book a call with one of our top advisor and we will go through your situation and show you exactly how we can help you as well, because I provide all my mentees, all my sources, all my relationship, and that's why they can get booking right away from month 1, right? We even guarantee the result. If you don't get booking, you know, we will actually gonna take care of your first month rent. So whether it's us or somebody, guys, leverage somebody else's database, Rolodex, resources, so that way you don't go out there and trying to find it yourself. You can, you know, it's gonna be blood, sweat, and tears for years until you find all the sources, so that way you don't just rely on Airbnb and VRBO, because let's face it, Airbnb is super saturated. Everybody and their grandma is doing Airbnb. That's why you wanna do corporate housing, get out of there, you know, build your own website, build your own brand, leveraging my brand to help you, to push you through and skyrocket your business, because I have all the resources that you ever need to launch your business into the stratosphere. Make sense? So that's why it's super important, whether it's me or somebody, find the right mentor, find the right group, community to get in, and then you see your business explode, and then you have passive income and you go enjoy life. So there you have it, guys. These are the top keys, mistakes you want to avoid in doing this business, and that's how you can make substantial 6-figure income leveraging somebody else's property. So remember to like, share, subscribe, Much love.